Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Bluetooth keyboard. First, always ensure your keyboard has sufficient power, either from fresh batteries or a full charge. A simple power cycle can often resolve minor glitches. Turn off your keyboard by pressing and holding its power button for about 3 seconds. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. If it doesn't automatically reconnect, you will need to remove it from your device's Bluetooth settings and then repair it. For Windows users, navigate to your Bluetooth and other devices settings. Locate your keyboard, select it, and choose to remove the device. Afterward, click Add Bluetooth or other device and follow the on-screen prompts to repair. Mac users can hold down the Shift and Option keys while clicking the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar. From the hidden debug menu, select Reset the Bluetooth module. Remember to restart your Mac and then repair your keyboard. If a simple reset doesn't work, let's troubleshoot. Ensure your keyboard is within 10 meters of your computer to maintain a strong connection. Other wireless devices, especially USB 3.0 devices, can sometimes interfere with Bluetooth signals, so try removing them. Both Windows and Mac OS offer built-in troubleshooters that can diagnose and fix common Bluetooth problems. Additionally, updating or reinstalling your Bluetooth drivers can resolve many connectivity issues. If you've tried all these steps and your Bluetooth keyboard still isn't working, it's time to consider further action. Test your keyboard with a different computer or device to determine if the issue lies with the keyboard itself or your original device. If the problem persists across multiple devices, contacting the keyboard's manufacturer support is a good next step. They can offer model-specific advice or confirm a hardware fault, which might mean it's time for a new keyboard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.